Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to change modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our modes options and where to find them, we have to go to settings, of course, and here we have modes and routines. And here we have a few available default modes uh, that we can change and customize however we want. Do not save anything, go back, sleeping, driving, exercise, etc, etc. Also we have routines here. Currently this is a new phone, so no routines here, but the options are there. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.